Finland, for example, I know, in the National Archive, there's a book like this with all edible foods in Finland. You see, but if I say something, it's not personal to you. You and me, we're examples of the people in this world. But we've grown up with an education system where you've been pushed with information from young age. You've been made to, you know, learn things, to have a job in the society. None of this is given value. You just start to re-explore this, and you rediscover this relationship with Mother Nature. In America, in Europe, it's much more difficult than here, because we've already been through 100 years of industrialization or more. India is just starting. The ladies in our cafe, they know this much. Their parents know this much, but their kids know nothing. I've watched the genocide happen, cultural genocide. I've seen it under my eyes. They don't know any seed. They don't know what that plant does. They don't know the value of this. They know white rice and dosa and chutney and potato and cabbage. Their knowledge, their cultural, you know, heritage has been reduced to such a small part, you know, portion of like Vodafone top-up and you know, Facebook. That's where we've come to. So in Europe, that's happened a lot already. So how to refine it in Europe? You have to dig. You know, you have to dig, and you have to find the old people. You have to research. You have to find out, like, you know, before wheat, what was there? There was barley. There was rye. There was millets. There were so many things like that. What? Yeah, you shouldn't stand on the bed. Stand on the trench, yeah. So yeah, it does need encyclopedia, but it's not like the encyclopedia is going to change the thing. It's the people harvesting and eating it and integrating it into their lives.